Here are 20 plus daily use sentences. I hope you will practice these sentences in your daily conversation. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Stop worrying, stop worrying, परेशान मत हो. I think you can do that. I think you can do that. मेरा ख्याल है तुम कर सकते हो. There is nothing to fear. There is nothing to fear. डरने की कोई बात नहीं. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. डरो मत. I'll always be with you. I'll always be with you. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहूँगा. You did a lot of work today. You did a lot of work today. आज तुमने बहुत काम किया. You can easily do it. You can easily do it. तुम ये आसानी से कर सकते हो. It doesn't matter, or we can say it does not matter. कोई बात नहीं. You are worth it. You are worth it. आप इसके काबिल हैं. Rest assured. Rest assured. भरोसा रखें. What's bothering you? What's bothering you? तुम्हें परेशानी किस बात की है? Don't cry like a child. Don't cry like a child. बच्चे की तरह मत रो. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. मेरी फिक्र मत करो. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. हिचकिचाओ मत. You are doing a good job. You are doing a good job. तुम अच्छा काम कर रहे हो. I'm not bothered about it. I'm not bothered about it. मुझे उसकी परवाह नहीं. You are a capable man. You are a capable man. तुम एक काबिल इंसान हो. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. मुझे तुम पर फख्र है. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. सब मुमकिन है. Never stop trying. Never stop trying. कोशिश करते रहें. Get dressed nicely. Get dressed nicely. अच्छे से तैयार हो जाओ.